Hello, welcome to this week's Style with Us. I'm Dee.
And I'm Teresa. We're from Urban Cachet in Dulwich Hill.
This week we have a really quirky label called King Louie from Amsterdam. They get all their inspiration from vintage prints. They've been working with clothing and prints since the late 80s. So you'll see some really colourful and cheerful pieces. They're also a very sustainable brand. They work with 70% of their materials being sustainable, which is terrific, and they're also very careful with their factories and how their workers are treated, which is also a really lovely thing.
So good. Yeah.
So without much further ado, I'll move on. I have the Zoe dress in Uptown, gorgeous print. It's quite a thick fabric as well. It's a ponte, so it's got a lot of stretch in it. Now with the King Louie, the sizing is always a little bit tricky. So on the website we've taken a lot of care in marking what sizes that we are wearing and what the pieces are true to, because they do vary through, and you'll see as we go through today. So I'm wearing a size L in this, and it's called the Uptown print in pine green. So an A-line shape. I personally probably would not wear the belt. That I would just wear it just as a tunic.
There's enough shape in it to warrant wearing it without a belt, isn't there? Yeah. And I'm wearing also the same print as Dee, the pine green print, the fabulous border skirt. So this is a shape they do every single season. It's always their best selling skirt shape. It's a nice easy little pull on. I'm wearing a medium, and I just wanted to show you the shape. So it's slightly A-line. You can wear it a little bit lower as well if you want a little bit more length. There's plenty of stretch in it, so you can wear it down if you want it sitting below the knee. And
it's good. You can kind of come up or down.
It's really good. And I've just teamed it with our Humidity Harriet knit in khaki, 2 sizes, small, medium, and then there's also a medium large in these. And we're wearing, or I'm wearing at least, the Isabella boot today in the Beck. It is, isn't it?
Beck black.
Beck in black. Yeah. Right, here we are with our second King Louie outfit. So I am wearing the most gorgeous little quilted jacket. It's called the Mia quilted jacket stage, and the colour's black. I'm wearing a 40, which in this style equates to a size 10. It's just gorgeous. There's so many beautiful details in this. Your black binding, you may not be able to see it, but it is finely quilted. Little pockets.
It's not too thick,
It's not thick at all.
It's just, but it's enough that it would give you a buffer, because it's all cotton.
Yeah, fully lined.
Yeah, beautiful.
Gorgeous little contrast lining. It's the sweetest little jacket, and the same skirt that I had on in the last shot, the border skirt, this time in the Milano Uni, black in a medium as well.
Yeah, these are great work skirts.
Oh, fabulous.
And a good weight too. They're a bit heavier, so good for layering in winter.
Indeed,
really good.
yeah.
And I have the gorgeous Luz pant on in the colour's called Adonis, and these are just fantastic. I've got in this one a 40, but it's a size 12. So this is why we are saying just be really careful, just read my little notes, because we've gone through everything and made sure everyone is, every piece is noted. And then I just put on with the Lulu Bamboo Stella slouch top, which is a 1 size, in this gorgeous forest green. So
rich colour.
Just beautiful. So with King Louie, again, it's all about the dual colours and the little quirky original prints. So really nice.
And those lovely boots.
Oh, and the Manhattan, I've put them on in it's called Ocean, but they're navy, but just so beautiful.
Stunning.
Just great. So I'm feeling very chic. Okay, back with outfit number 3. So I have the Maisie blouse on. This is a more generous cut. So again, I'll have it in the size notes, but I have the size 40, which we equate to as a 12 in this blouse. And the Ariana pleat skirt. So the access here is on the side. It has side buttons. It actually has a really good pocket here, but then it has an adjustment, so you can move the button, so it's really good depending on your waist. So again, the 40 and the 12. And as you see, I've styled this back with some boots. It's in quite a heavyweight viscose, but just beautiful print. gorgeous colours. I mean, this would be great with jeans. This would be great with tea. You know, I mean, you can mix it around, as you could imagine. And then we've got these lovely suede belts. We'll show you the other colour in the next outfit, but this one is the brick red. So it comes in 3 sizes. I have the 95 centimetre on, which equates to the medium. So we have a small, medium, and a large. We have the measurements up for those as well. But just a lovely, you know, work going out.
Throw a blazer on over that, and it's just gorgeous. We're constantly amazed at the prints. They really are quite spectacular, and their colour combinations are just beautiful. Yeah. So I'm wearing the Juno midi skirt in sachet. The colour is truffle red. I'm wearing a medium. Dee's got the other colourway,
which is the Belmore.
Yeah. So
great skirt, true midi length, nice weighted. Knit.
Lovely jersey knit, yeah.
Made in their, made
right.
in their organic cotton. Sorry,
I get excited. And the loveliest little knit, little fine cotton knit. It's the Mari bell top, obviously named because it's got that beautiful bell sleeve. The colours.
It's not too much, that bell, is it? Look,
no,
you know, when you look at it,
not
it's like
at
it's
all.
not voluminous. It's just a little bit of detail here and then the nice wristband.
Just enough to make it a little bit more of a statement.
Yeah.
The colour's Beaujolais red, so it's a really lovely, rich pinky red. And I'm wearing a medium. And this time I'm wearing the Isabella boot in the tan. So obviously you could layer a legging when it gets a little bit cooler. And once again, throw a little blazer over this and away you go.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our last outfit for the day. And I'm very excited to show you this bomber jacket. It is gorgeous. It's fully reversible. It's a satin, really lovely. A little bit of a King Louie logo. So they've been going since 1984. And pockets, just so cute. I've got the size 42 on, which I'm equating to a 12 in this one. So again, I will have that marked.
And
that's
a real statement, isn't it?
That's the opposite side.
Yeah.
How beautiful is that? So
And
you've got embroidery.
Gorgeous embroidery on the back.
I mean, the attention to detail in this is just amazing. It's a real investment piece. I mean, it's something you would have
statement.
forever and ever. So, and then I've put it back with the Juno midi skirt it's fully lined in a thing called marzipan. Now it's got the tiniest bit of glitter, like coppery glitter. Oh, it's probably gold, but it throws out the a little bit of shimmer, but not overly, but just a little enough so it's not so flat. This is the marzipan in a size L. Just so you know, these are just my own boots I've put on for this video we had these last winter, just so everyone knows.
And I'm loving this dress. I love a little shirt dress. So this is called the Elisa pocket dress stage. The colour's black and I'm wearing a 40, which equates to a 10. And it does come with its own little self tie belt. So just a little tie. But I've popped it with the suede belt in the tea green. I'm wearing a small in this one, so that equates to a 10. And I just love it. It's a really fine, it's the same as the jacket I had on in the first shot. Super fine little cord in the most dainty little print. It's really quite special. Pockets here, and I popped it back with the Isabella Manhattan in the tan.
This would be great opened up too, everyone.
Yeah,
and
wouldn't it?
Worn open as a jacket. So, you know, you can wear it 2 ways.
Yeah.
It's really great.
Yeah.
Give you a bit of versatility in your piece. Okay, well, that's us with the gorgeous King Louie. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we've enjoyed showing it to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the subscribe button down on the right-hand side, and we will see you next week. Bye.
See you.